Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool, very rare 1969 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 convertible. You can look this up. They total in hardtops and convertibles, they made 2,455 Super Sports in '69. They figure 3% were convertible, so that's less than 100 of these cars they figure ever got built. Very, very cool car. It is a factory Garnet red car. It's gone through one repaint. You can see it's got the new convertible top with the glass rear window. It has the factory red vinyl interior in it. And again, matching numbers, 427, 335 horse engine underneath the hood. One repaint, original color, super rare car, guys. That is a hard car to find. I don't know if you happen to be watching Meekum, but one of these cars just brought, I think, almost $63,000, and it was non-SS bench seat car. This is a bucket seat console, original Super Sport car. You can see it's got the original chrome, bumpers, all that stuff's original. Again, one repaint to the original color. These are original, factory fender mount turn signals. I saw a couple little stone pecks you can kind of pick at on the car, but very, very nice car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. It's got the original soft fray glass in it. Fit and finish on the car is excellent. It's only got 70-some thousand original miles. They did just put a new top on it, so it's brand spanking new. It does have the glass rear window. Ooh, is it cold? I think it's 10 out right now. I think we actually reached double digits. But again, just a super cool, very rare car. Good car, guys. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, good, solid, straight body. Nice and straight down the sides. I like this. Got the white walls with the factory rally wheels. You can see, you can kind of pick it. It's got all your original trim. We did replace the wheel well opening moldings, and I believe Eddie, I told him to, kept the originals too. What a cool, cool car. Factory rallies with the top hats. It looks like all your emblems are original, and you got to have some kind of documentation to prove these cars are Super Sports. We have the original window sticker for this car. Again, matching numbers, 427, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, got power steering, power disc brakes, got your original Harrison radiator with a shroud, 400 turbohdyramatic trans, detailed up underneath the hood, just a super, super nice car. Ooh, I'm going to hang in here as long as I can, guys, but it is just wicked, wicked today. A lot more fun in the summertime shooting videos. Again, disc brakes on the front. Get a stone pack there. You can see all your stainless here is really nice. That looks like your original mirror. I think these are the original door handles. It's factory undercoat car. You can see it's still got the dealer plugs in it. Door seams are nice and clean. I think he said this is all the original interior too. Factory red on red with the factory Strato buckets in it. This is a little sweetheart right here, guys. Again, factory bucket seats with the center console, Super Sport steering wheel. It's got all the deluxe seat belts in it. That was an option. It's convertible top. That's new. Steering wheel looks great. Factory dash, 77,866. Getting ready to push on there. No, the blower motor works. Factory AM, FM, push button radio still works. It does have new dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt 273 posi-traction rear end. Factory jack with spare is in here. The boot is in here. Sorry guys, man, my hand is about to freeze here. You have to switch hands, just hold it out here. Hopefully I don't bump something. Just copy your original title. And again, here is your original sticker for the car. Bought new in Pennsylvania. There's your SS 427. It's blowing around the wind. Everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, it's got the fiber. I got to make sure I show you that too. It's got the fiber optics. Again, it's factory undercoat car, but it's got the fiber optic monitoring system on it. Got to remember to show you that. So I'm gonna try to get my right hand warm. So I'm gonna do this left-handed. And you see the door seams are nice and clean. See that little blemish there. Whew. This is no fun right here. Ugh. Seats are nice. Switch this back to the right hand. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Yeah, it's a killer car, guys, and again, very rare. You're not going to pull into another car show and see a couple little blemishes on your original seats. See another one parked next to it, I'll tell you that. Factory soft ray glass. Choke works. Just a sweetheart right there, guys. Again, your turn signal lights work. John, I can't see it. It's working? I can't see it. I can't see it in the thing. I know all that stuff is working. Fuel gauge does work. It's just low. All your little idiot lights worked. Oh, hit your turn signal. Hopefully you can see that working, guys. In the back, when you hit the brakes, it comes on to that little light in the just the top of the rear seat. Sorry, man, I am froze. My goodness. Good car, man. Just a good car. Radio works. Again, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom of the video. That way you can subscribe to us and get updated whenever I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.